Hello everyone, my name is Justan Sandoval. I'm from Cali, Colombia, and this time I'm living in Cartagena, Spain. My history with Cumorah is amazing. I'm really happy to stay here. I studied leadership and English. It's a good place to improve all my skills. I recommend Cumorah for everyone because it's amazing. You're going to enjoy it. My time here is really good. Now I have a lot of new friends from people around the world. It's good. Cumorah helped me to be a big person every day, helped me to generate a strength, mindset, and improve my skills. I heard about Cumorah when I was working in a chair repair companies. In this time, I just was working, I decided, I start to feel that I need to do something different in my life. A good friend told me about Cumorah. She was here the last semester, and she told me there was a good experience, maybe it could be a good experience for me. I started to pray, and I feel that I need to come here. So I decided to fill my application, and then I had my interview. They told me that I came to Cumorah, so I decided to leave my work and come here. The people around me was so crazy because they told me that I was crazy to stay here and leave my work. But now I feel a big confidence to come my home. Now I have a new skills in English. I want to find a new job, to find new opportunities in my country and a different place around the world. My experience in Cumorah is really good. In this place I made a lot of new friends. In this place I increased my confidence to do a lot of things in this work. My plan is to find a new job and prepare my paper for my university. I know that sometimes it's hard to keep a balance between all the things, but Cumorah teach me how to do it. I feel so happy for that. Cumorah helped me to create a routine in my life and take advantage of my time. And this is so important to do all the things that I want to do in my life. It's like to work, to study, to start with a new relationship. For anyone thinking, coming to Cumorah, I need to say that could be an amazing experience that you can have in your life, because this place is a special place and you're going to grow and be better for all the teaching that you're going to receive in this place. You're going to make a lot of new friends and you're going to discover new different places around the world.